Hey all, it's Jonathan from Style Factory here. In this Squarespace review, I'm going to highlight the key things that you need to know about this popular website builder. I'll take you through 5 really great things about the platform and 5 things that might make you think twice about using it. Let's start off with a look at the advantages of using Squarespace. 1. The Squarespace templates are great. Squarespace templates look great and can help you achieve professional results really quickly. There's around 170 of these bundled with the platform, and they have a wow factor that you won't find from many competing platforms' templates. And thanks to their responsive, mobile-friendly design, websites and online stores created using Squarespace look great not just on desktop computers, but on smartphones and tablets too. 2. The platform is easy to use. With Squarespace, you don't need to install any software to build a website. Everything is done online in your web browser. You won't find much of a learning curve from the platform. You simply click on something you'd like to change and use the controls provided to edit text, images, colours or fonts. And thanks to its new AI-powered Blueprint feature, Squarespace can do quite a lot of the design work for you. With Blueprint, you enter a few details about the type of site that you'd like to build, specify some design preferences, and Squarespace will use this information to automatically create a draft of your website. 3. You can sell online easily with Squarespace. Squarespace comes with built-in e-commerce features that let you sell not just physical products, but digital products, subscriptions, and site memberships too. As with the Squarespace interface in general, the learning curve here is not steep, and you can get going with e-commerce really quickly using the platform. In particular, Squarespace is great for selling gated content like membership areas or online courses, and it lets you add a paywall to your blog too. 4. Squarespace gives you access to email marketing. Squarespace not only provides you with a way to build a website or online store, but gives you access to a sophisticated email marketing system that lets you promote your business too. This integrates well with your Squarespace website, is easy to use, and lets you make use of attractive templates to market your site's content and products. Add-on fees apply for using this, but they are reasonable. 5. Squarespace is great for creating content sites. Squarespace comes with blogging tools, galleries, and magazine-style layouts that make the platform a great choice for anyone working in a creative industry. Its image manipulation tools are particularly good. You can edit photos in a large number of ways using Squarespace and present them nicely using attractive gallery formats. Okay, so that's 5 things we really like about Squarespace. But what about its disadvantages? I'm going to come on to that in just a moment. But before I do, I just wanted to say that if you're interested in using Squarespace, you can get a free trial and a 10% discount for the platform by following the instructions in the video description. Right. Let's take a look at the 5 disadvantages of using Squarespace you need to watch out for. 1. The e-commerce features are basic. Squarespace's e-commerce features, whilst easy to use, are pretty basic. With Squarespace, you can only sell in one currency at a time. The only point of sale hardware it lets you use is a card reader, and the system doesn't let you accept payment via Google Pay. 2. There are no autosave or version history features. Unlike some competing platforms, Squarespace doesn't autosave your content or keep a history of previous versions of it. This means you can occasionally lose work if your computer crashes or your internet connection goes down. 3. Translating a Squarespace site can get very expensive. To translate a Squarespace site, you'll need to use the third-party service Weglot. This can make things very expensive if you have a lot of content on your site that you need to translate into multiple languages. By contrast, platforms like Wix and Shopify have built-in translation features, and these can save you a lot of money. 4. There aren't many Squarespace apps available. If you want to add more functionality to your Squarespace site or connect it to other platforms, you may be a bit disappointed. There are only about 40 apps and integrations available for Squarespace in its App Store, which is much less than you'll find from many competing website builders. 5. There's no phone support. If you have a problem with Squarespace and want to speak to a human being about it in person, you're out of luck. You'll have to make do with live chat or email support. So that's it. 5 great things and 5 not so great things about Squarespace. There are a lot more pros and cons to discover, so do check out the full Squarespace review on the Style Factory website. You'll find the details for this below. The best way to find out if Squarespace is for you, of course, is to try it out. You can get a 14-day free trial by following the link in the video description. There's also information in the description about how to get a 10% discount on a Squarespace subscription. A reminder that we'd love you to subscribe to our channel before you go. And finally, if you have any questions about Squarespace, do leave a comment below. We read them all and try to answer all of them.